Hey developers! Want to create a cool treasure system in Roblox that gives players healing potions when they interact with it? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a treasure that spawns potions using ProximityPrompt and remote events. Let's get started. First, open Roblox Studio and add some parts to create a custom treasure chest tool, similar to this one. I've already shared a tutorial on how to make a tool in Roblox Studio. You can find it again in the Roblox playlist. Let's add ProximityPrompt for user to interact with it by using keyboard. Increase hold duration to 1. From ProximityPrompt, add script to destroy default touch interest. Now let's add healing potion model to server storage. From toolbar search for healing potion, and choose this one. Change it parent to server storage. It's cool. Now, the model is stored on the server, and we no longer see it in our workspace. If you click on play button, we actually in client mode, and client also can't see the server storage items. However, we can switch to server and runtime by click on this button. With server mode, we can see the healing potion from server storage. Let's move it to workspace to test if client can see it. Client now can see the healing potion and can pick it up. Perfect. Now our job now is finding a way to ask server spawn healing potion from script. Now, let's handle the event on the server side to spawn healing potions when the player opens the treasure. In replicated storage, create a remote event and name it spawn potion. In server script service, create a script and name it potion spawner. Now, come to the most interesting part, coding. Add the following code to handle potion spawning. Assign variable to get reference to remote event. Assign variable to get reference to healing potion model. When server receives signal from remote event, we connect to a function. This function will spawn 3 potions to workspace. From starter player script, add local script to call spawn potion remote event. Treasure variable from workspace. Get ProximityPrompt from treasure. Remote event from replicated storage. Now call remote event when the prompt is triggered by player. Add a delay under the find treasure instance to ensure that the proximity parameter is not null. Also, add some logs to verify that all parameters are not null. Now let's test it. Play the game, walk near the treasure, and interact with it. If everything is set up correctly, healing potions will appear around you. And that's it. Now you know how to create a simple treasure system in Roblox using ProximityPrompt and remote events. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Roblox game development tips. See you next time.